Yes, this is William Monroe here in Ford Heights. Now, what you didn't see a moment ago was a snow plow with salt loaded in the back come through here. It's moved on eastward. Traffic is moving slowly through here at this time. Visibility, I can't really be a judge, but it looks almost like it's a whiteout. And we do have something of a wind blowing around, but it's not drifting the snow. So, this is about all I can get. Even those trees, wow. Oh, I thought I saw the... There we go. There's a snowplow just went through. You just saw, if you saw that. Another one just went through. Traffic is moving. Okay. All I can say is this is Bill Monroe here at Ford Heights. Looking at Route 30 and the lot near the building I'm in.